Never.
Did you rinse those chiles?
Chile will get rinsed in my mouth.
You're the one that's saying that she said that she ate jalapenos before. Ready? Christy.
Okay.
1, 2, 3.
Go.
I'm gonna eat a tiny bite too.
Okay, tiny bite. 1, 2, 3, go.
I didn't get to bite it.
Holy shit.
You gonna do it?
Oh, that's good.
Look at
You have to take a bite.
He spit it
He
out.
took a bite.
He spit it out. You have to chew it then swallow it. You didn't do it.
Hey.
It smells disgusting.
You're not gonna do it?
Rinse it, Christy, because
It
it
just got in
probably
my mouth.
has ODP all over it.
No, it doesn't.
ODP's on that tree.
But it was on the top.
It was on the bottom, Mom. I saw it.
No, it wasn't.
It was in the middle.
Well, he can't get it.
That's super sweet, like candy.
She's scared.
Do it. Just real quick. Spit it out. Spit it out.
Ugh.
Spit it out.
She chewed it. You just took a bite and spit it out.
It's not hot to you?
Now that I think about it.
Ew, what are you looking at? Look.
Audi got it! Audi! Yeah, he look, he kick. Look, he's still licking. He's still licking.
Chrissy, you okay?
Look,
Like, oh, that was gross. What
Look,
was
he's
that?
still licking. It's hot.
He's trying to get the water.
He wants water.
Give him a little bit of milk.
Oh.
Yeah, give him just a little bit of milk.
It'll take down the
Is
burn
it
in your
hot?
mouth.
It's hot? Yeah.
Get a little cup and give him a little bit of milk.
It's all yours?
Just a little bit, Christy. Look, he keeps licking. It's hot for him.
It is intense.
Yeah?
I tell you.
You're still hot?
My whole mouth is on fire.
It was you from...
I'll give him a delish.
Okay.
Just put it by his mouth and he'll lick it. He's like, give me some, give me some.
No, just put it on the floor. No, Mama.
Ah.
Just let him lick it off the floor.
Yeah.
He's like, oh yeah, that's what's good.
Mm-hmm. Feel
Look,
better,
he goes
Odie?
to it right away.
Feel better, Odie? Yeah?
If you want some too, if I don't have any more.
Let her get a little bit. Just a little drop.
That's what I have.
They like milk.
How's your mouth feel?
And it's still burning, but I'll live with it.
Oh.
Good chile there.
Yeah?
It really was.
Was it good chile?
I'm never
A
trying
couple of
that.
those, some picanha sauce.
Oh, yeah.
That movie's pretty good.
You need to start using them.
Yep.
Seriously.
I know.
Just crush them up in little molcajetes.
I know. I have.